All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What we're going to do is install a new condensation drip tube. This RV refrigerator, Dometic side by side, is in a slide unit. Okay, so I had to do a little bit. One, either had to pull it, or two, do this. All right, so I had to cut a little bit of the board away. Remember, that board goes all the way down. It's about a ½ inch away from all the heating coils. And I'll show you, there's a little rod down in there that I painted fluorescent orange. All right, like street marker, fluorescent orange. See it right there sticking through? Look how close to that damn heat chamber they put that. That's the chimney. All right, some of the old RVs, you see where that little tube is right there? That's where the flame comes out of the heat. They used to have it come up with a little exhaust vent. All right, because all that heat's going in here. So they've gotten cheaper and cheaper. Believe it or not, they make the kits. I put it on my Facebook page, RV Does Troubleshooting. So we're going to go inside right now. I'll show you the hose. All right. All right, so it's a ½ inch. High temperatures, meant for hot water and all that. I used a PEX tubing, ½ inch brass, nothing cheap here, like comes factory. If they would just put this in and charge you another $10 on top of a $4,000 refrigerator, well, you know, you wouldn't have to do all this. I got better things to do, like go camping. All right, so, but I have fun doing this. The kits I got with all them little springs in, you want to, you know, keep them on for the windshield wiper, vacuum tube, stuff like that. All right, it's this G658N Clark's. You don't have to buy Clark's, but there's all your pieces, right? 9mm. I used 13 right there. Okay, and I doubled them up, if you've seen that, right? All right, so now we're going to go inside. Remember, there it is. That's the board right there, tight. Put you on pause. All right, remember, this is in a slide. You see that board right there? There is no room to get my hand up in there. Whether I'm fat or muscular or not, it ain't working. All right, so there's some of the stuff that's all degraded. And it was dripping down on the electronics. That's not good, folks. All right, not good. Okay, so some of the things is, here's the flue, the chimney, the propane. Here's the electric heating elements. You want to make sure they move a little bit. Here's the over temp switch with a thermal resetting. I didn't say if this goes bad and you're out camping that you can bypass this with a 1 amp fuse or 2.5, 3.5, and or a 5 amp, I'm sorry, and it will keep your refrigerator going. I didn't say it was safe. I just said you won't lose $400 easy in food. So we're going to go in the RV. I'm going to show you where I put that orange rod. All right, so it's a Dometic, right? Here it is, how to do it. There's your warning labels. It's a side by side. There's the ice maker. Really nice unit. If mine goes, I got the LRM 1200. I'm gonna get this model, but here's your model number. All right, and it is in a slide, folks. The ones that are not in a slide, like on a, well, this is a slide too. If it's on a non-slide, you got space back here. But look, I had to pull this out. Broke the old one. That happens because it's old. There's that rod I was talking to you about. I stick that through so I can see where it's at easily. All right, now I'm gonna push that through. And then here's the other drain. You gotta make sure these are clean. This is the drain from the ice machine, okay, right over here. You gotta remember, when ice is made, it heats up the pan that the ice cube made in, so the ice slides out. So, and this is a frost-free refrigerator, so you're going to get condensation all the time. All right, really nice refrigerator. I'm really impressed with it. This is like the 8th one I've seen. This is the first one in a slide I've seen. All right, so if you see it right there, on and off, auto store, all right, gas, fridge, freezer, set. And here's your buttons that the lights come on. And all right, here we go. We're gonna have fun. So we're gonna take that out, and we're gonna have fun putting that thing in there. So I'm gonna push this. All right, there it goes. All right, now that one, you see how easy that one came out? Yeah, not that old one. All right, we're gonna go back out there and show you where it's at, because I took the orange fluorescent home. It's one of my alignment punch. Well, it was just to show you where that thing was. All right, it's too close. By design, it was too close to the chimney. Of course, that old crap is gonna, get brittle and crack and leak all over your electronics and burn up boards. And there you go. You spend some more money on an RV. There, like we don't spend enough. All right, hold on here. Put you on pause. So here we are, we're outside, okay? That's the hose I made. It's got to go in between here. There ain't much room, is it? There's the white thing sticking out. All right, so I got to get it where that slides on and the board don't beat it up to death. So I got to get this length right. Basically, the video will consist of me swearing. It's okay. It's part of the job. So I'm not going to record that. But basically, I'm just going to attach this. And I will show you a little trick, because it's down there still about 8 or 9 inches. I got these long, lockable pliers. I call them y'all call them vice grips, but they're not. It's a lockable plier. So that'll grab a hold of my spring clips I showed you, and I'll get 2. I got 2 on each section. I got 2 on the bottom half, 2 on the top half, 2 right here that'll go on that curve. So this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm not gonna put you through that swearing. Remember, the motto is test, not guess. I was just showing you basically how to find these. If they're an end wall, they're a little bit more of a pain. If they're not if they're an in-slide fridge, you're out to either move the fridge or you got to modify some wood. I was telling you the tape is all tore up in here, so I'm gonna tear that out, put some new tape in, get it sealed up, because that's going inside the coach. We'll take care of him. He's a pretty good guy. He's a truck driver. Probably can teach me a thing or two about where some bypasses are in roads, so you never know. Might have to call him up. All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto, test, not guess. What's the other one? Safe travels, may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? You know the saying, you know the drill. Where are we going to meet? We'll meet at the fueling station. We'll meet on the road. I'll beat my horn. We're going to meet at the campgrounds. If we do, I'm probably camping. If it's too hot out or too cold, I ain't working on your RV. I might walk you through some stuff, talk to you about stuff. Try to get you to join my website, I think that's $150 a year now. That's pretty good still, though. Just the first time you use me, it pays. That's before a tech even comes. He just comes out, he charges you $120 to $150. Then he charges you to touch your RV. And folks, it's very successful. A lot of people have become self-sufficient. They don't need me no more. So put myself out of business. And some other people out there. Folks, RV, repair vehicle, read volumes of information, and be a responsible vehicle owner, whether it's an RV or a towed. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.